try bird cam. Bird cam. On the cobblestone. Oh! I hope you're getting a good view, guys. We're practicing for our European vacation because they have these birds in Europe, and we'll be doing so many different tours, and we'll need to learn how to ride this. So just in case you've never been on one, super easy. Oh, and this is where we went to have breakfast. Let's show them. Oh, almost fell right there. Can we see it? I hope you can. Delicious, downtown. Can you see it? Love it so much. All right, let's roll.
Around all downtown?
Yeah, we got it. We got this. Whoa, I went a little too fast. Can't adjust glasses while you're on here. Unless you're a pro.
Dancing with me now.
Oh, there's the sun. Only in Florida.
And I'm taking pictures of you with flowers on